Welcome. In front of me is a REDMI Pad 2 Pro, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and in here we will navigate to About Tablet, scroll down, and you will find the option to Factory Reset. Now, when you click on it, it gives you a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, videos, and basically all user data. If you have anything of that sort that you'd like to maintain, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. And you actually, by going further, you do have the option to back it up. But you can also see in the message, it will be backed up to the Xiaomi Cloud, aka this backup is only available to you on Xiaomi devices, which isn't necessarily a backup now, is it? A backup, I presume, can be accessed anywhere on any device that I would want to. It should back up that data, make that data available to me, but this one is kind of locked away if you're not using a Xiaomi. So if you're planning to do that, meaning back up your device, I recommend backing it up manually by plugging in the cable and moving the data to your computer. This removes that BS kind of thing where you're basically sharing your personal data with some company, and then they also put restrictions on you when you can access it. And on your own computer, you can access it at any point without any kind of problems. Additionally, in Europe, I believe we do have a law that prohibits companies from keeping personal data like this for more than, I believe, 2 years, 2 or 3 years. I don't exactly remember, which means that if you haven't done anything with this backup for 2 or 3 years, this backup will be deleted by Xiaomi. So hence it would mean that they would use it to train their AI probably. Hopefully not, but most likely. And then they're going to delete it if you don't do anything with it. So they basically gain full privilege of training it, and then you didn't get the backup that you created. So doesn't seem like a very good thing. While on your computer, that thing will never be used to train any AI, and also won't be deleted unless you do that yourself. Well, anyway, we're going to select the reset, and Xiaomi wants to drive it home behind the 10-second counter that this will delete the data. Are you sure? And then after wasting 10 seconds, they're going to waste another 10 seconds before we can click on OK. So let's just wait for this. There we go. And this will begin factory resetting the device now. Now this process will take about 2 minutes or so, give or take. And once it's completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.